In this short video, we will consider simultaneous equations. Equations that have more than one unknown can have an infinite number of solutions. For example, 2x plus y is equal to 10 can be solved by x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 8, or x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 6, or x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. There are many more combinations for this equation. To be able to solve an equation like this, another equation needs to be used alongside it. That way it is possible to find the only pair of values that solves both equations at the same time. These are known as simultaneous equations. Example: 2x plus y is equal to 8. We will call this equation 1. And 3x plus y is equal to 11. We will call this equation 2. The unknowns of x and y have the same value in both equations. This fact can be used to help solve the two simultaneous equations. Let's solve these two simultaneous equations. 2x plus y is equal to 8, equation 1, and 3x plus y is equal to 11, equation 2. We will solve these simultaneous equations by using the substitution method. Let's take equation 1 first. We can rearrange to make y the subject. Let's see this. We now have y is equal to 8, take away 2x. Y can be substituted into equation 2, like this. We can now solve equation 2 by making x the subject, as shown, and gives us x is equal to 3. Now that we know the value of x, we can use this to solve for y. Let's substitute in for x in equation 3 as shown, which gives us y is equal to 2. So, the answer is x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. You can check your answer by putting in these values into equations 1 and 2. Let's look at another example. Joe buys 5 apples and 2 pears, spends £1.48. Emma buys 3 apples and 3 pears. She spends £1.32. What is the cost of each apple and each pear? So, let's have a closer look at Joe's purchase. Joe buys 5 apples, we'll call this 5A, and 2 pears, calling this 2P, spending £1.48. This gives us the expression described in equation 1. Let's consider Emma's purchases. 3 apples gives us 3A, and 3 pears giving us 3P at a cost of £1.32. This is shown by equation 2. We will solve these simultaneous equations by using the substitution method. Let's take equation 1 first. We can rearrange to make p the subject. Let's see this. We now have p is equal to, bracket open, 1.48 take away 5 multiplied by a, bracket close, all divided by 2. We will call this equation 3. P can be substituted into equation 2, like this. We can now solve equation 2 by making a the subject, as shown, and gives us a value for a, which is 0.2. Now that we know the value of a, we can use this to solve for p. Let's substitute in for a in equation 3, as shown, which gives us p is equal to 0.24. So, the answer is apples are 20 pence each and pears cost 24 pence each. You can check your answer by putting in these values into equations 1 and 2.